Well, you don't look good, Joe.
The fridge broke, so I had to eat everything. Cold cuts, ice cream, limes. And, hey, what was in that brown jar?
That's still in there?
Not anymore. So, anyway, how do you want to pay me?
Is this a service you're providing me?
No, for my new fridge, for our new fridge.
Our new fridge? I don't live here anymore.
So what? Look, okay, suppose we were a divorced couple, and I got custody of the kid, right? Now suppose the kid dies, and I gotta buy a new kid.
Okay.
Give me $400!
Thank God you're pretty.
You don't understand. Elizabeth was about to ask me to go on a trip with her. Is that taking it slow? I'm not ready for this, okay? Well, what do I tell her?
Just tell her the truth. Tell her you're not ready.
I can do that. Well, what if she gets upset?
Then you distract her with a Barbie doll.
Or you could just,
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell am I doing? He just broke my fridge!
What? How do you know it's even broken?
Oh, you think I don't know what breaks my fridge? Excuse me. Well, what do you know? Broken. That'll be $400.
Joey, I saw you push him.
You pushed him?
Joey, I did not break this, okay? That has been broken for a while.
Hey, Chandler, remember I told you about our fridge?
Uh-huh.
I still haven't gotten the check for your half yet.
Do not give him any money.
I'm not talking to you. You broke my fridge.